For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon.
Looking for a powerful DIY solution? Check out the 6x18650 battery case. It comes in sleek black and a stylish blue variant with a premium feel. Also available in classic white to match your personal tech style. The weldless design features a smart circuit board for safety and efficiency. No soldering is required. Just pop in 6 batteries and you are ready. It has dual USB outputs, a Type-C port, and a handy LED flashlight. Experience 22.5-watt super-fast charging. The digital display shows exact battery percentage. It supports PD 3.0 and QC 4.0 for all modern smartphones. Get yours on AliExpress. Check the link in the first comment below.
To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
Looking for a powerful DIY solution? Check out this 6x18650 battery case. It is a weldless design, making it super easy to install your own batteries quickly. This sleek blue variant features a high-quality build that feels premium in your hand. Inside, you get a smart circuit board designed for safety and maximum efficiency. The compact size makes it the perfect portable companion for all your daily travels. Available in classic black and stylish blue to match your personal tech style. It features dual USB outputs, a Type-C port, and a very handy LED flashlight. Experience 22.5 watts super fast charging. Power up your devices in no time. It supports multiple protocols like PD 3.0 and QC 4.0 for all smartphones. The clear digital display shows you the exact battery percentage at a single glance. No soldering is required. Just pop in 6 batteries and you are ready to go. Get yours today on AliExpress. Check the link in the first comment below.